Hey guys, how's it going? Fair from Tools and Gadgets. Today we have a very exciting product from Benks. So we have here their newly released, the Vanglow, and also we have their phone cases here. This is the Armor and this is the Prestige. So yeah, we'll be testing this three out. This is for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I have the deep blue here and also I have the cosmic orange. So I have two iPhone 17 Pro Max here. So we're just gonna test which one would fit better, the color and the scheme. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. First, let's go ahead and open this Armor case. So this is the Pro Kevlar. So I really trust Benks. For my iPhone 16 Pro Max, I used Benks Armor Pro case for the rest of the year. I had no problems. There were several drops, but never, my phone never dented. So yeah, that's why I really and highly appraise Benks for their Armor Pro cases. So this is the Armor style. We have here a black case. So here you can see the aramid fiber here, and here the silicone case. And it also comes with a sensitive touch here for the camera button on the side. And also you have your magnets here, the MagSafe. And of course, the back camera protector here is slightly raised. So yeah, we have here our deep blue with the black Armor Pro case from Benks. So yeah, let's go ahead and try it out. In order to do so, let's go ahead and slip one side first and then clip on the rest. So this is how it looks like. So once again, I have the deep blue 17 Pro Max here with the Armor Pro case, color black. So yeah, let's go ahead and test the Cosmic Orange and how it looks. All right, so we have here the Cosmic Orange with the Armor Pro case here from Benks. Let's go ahead and see. So you can see here. So for me, the black Armor Pro case here is universal. You could use the silver and as well as the Cosmic Orange and the deep blue. It fits. It looks perfectly okay. So it doesn't look odd using the Armor Pro case here, the black Armor Pro case with the deep blue, the Cosmic Orange, and the silver one. Sadly, we don't have the silver one, but yeah, well, I assume you could picture out how it looks like. So yeah, let's go ahead and test the phone case Prestige. All right, so up next we have the phone case Prestige here. So as you can see, this is also the Pro level with Kevlar DuPont. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. All right, as you can see here, it has a very nice texture here and the color scheme. So yeah, let's go ahead and try our deep blue first. Let's just take this out. So yeah, this is how the deep blue looks with this phone Prestige. Just like that. And yeah, let's go ahead and test the Cosmic Orange and how it looks like. All right, so we have the Cosmic Orange here. And yeah, let's just go ahead and slide it out. So that is how it looks like. You know, for me, I think it looks okay as well. Oh, but it's just for me. I think it suits better with the Cosmic Orange for this Prestige one. So yeah, we have one more to unbox and this is the Vanglow. All right, so this comes with a very prestige package. So yeah, let's go ahead and open up. All right, so let's go ahead and tear this up. All right, just like that. And yeah. Woo! Okay, so I just want to show this to you so that you could be the one to first see it. Hold on. Okay. I just had to tear the box out. Wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. Ooh. So guys, if you are new to Benks, Benks has been around since 2008. And they've been producing really quality phone cases. My wife keeps on dropping her case and she used the Armor Pro for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I think it dropped around 20 times. Her phone never had a dent. It's just in the case and it protected it really well. So yeah, that's why I highly praise Benks about their cases. So yeah, this is their new release, the Vanglow edition. So this is our first view, guys. So I'm taking you guys for the first look of the Vanglow version. Oh, so hold on. So yeah, okay, so first it comes with this sling. So this one, guys, you're gonna be inserting this behind the case. So you can hook the sling, this one, you could hook it here and then use this. Yeah, I think you could use this as a wristlet for girls. And then we have the ring holder. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. So it looks more like I think a pop socket. Hold on, let me just check. Actually, this is a very brand new product of theirs. So yeah, you guys will have a first look as well. So it comes with a MagSafe here at the back, and also like a pop socket where you could hold, and it auto retracts, so you could hold your phone like this. Hold on, let me just get the phone, just like that. So it has really strong magnet, guys. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. And guys, it also comes with a ring stand, just like that, so you could put your phone like that, and you could watch videos. So yeah, I think you can do it here like this as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and see the Vanglow edition. Here it is. So it's more of like a bluish type. So I think this would fit really well with a deep blue. But yeah, let's go ahead and try it out. Look at that. Here on the side, so it's like an Armor Air case. Yeah, here's the deep blue, and let's go ahead and slide it in. All right, just like that. So for me, guys, I really think that this case matches a deep blue really well. See that? So it's an ultra thin case, guys, as you can see. All right, so it also comes with an aramid fiber and a Kevlar, and I really like the logo here at the bottom, Benks logo. For me, I really think this Vanglow is for the deep blue edition here. So if this Vanglow comes with a different color for the cosmic orange, I think it would fit it really well. Let me know what you guys think. Write them down in the comments below. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys.